Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps on how to add an announcement group in a WhatsApp community to a custom list. This feature is perfect for keeping your chats organized and prioritizing important updates. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Communities tab. This will take you to the section where all your communities are listed. Next, select the specific community that contains the announcement group you want to add. Simply tap on the community to open it. Now locate the announcement group within that community. Once you've found it, long press on the group name. This action will bring up a menu of options. From the menu that appears, tap on Add to List. A pop-up window will appear, showing your existing custom lists. If you already have a custom list where you want to add this group, select it from the options provided. Otherwise, you can create a new custom list if needed. After selecting or creating your custom list, tap Done to confirm your choice. And that's it. The announcement group is now successfully added to your custom list. This simple process helps you streamline your WhatsApp experience by organizing your chats into tailored categories, whether for work, family, or hobbies. Give it a try and see how much easier it becomes to manage your conversations. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.